Hi everyone. Okay, so this is my last hip kit order. I did cancel, and I will look for their all-exclusive stuff in the future. So, but for right now, I did cancel, and this is my last one. But let's see what we got. I'm excited. Yep, I just did an unboxing. Oh my gosh, I just did an unboxing. You'll see it before this one. Of all this collection, of this whole collection. Oh my gosh, too funny. Oh my gosh. And I have all this stuff ordered with paper issues. So, oh my god, the Pink Fresh stuff I ordered off paper issues. So I'm just waiting for that order to come in. Oh my gosh, how funny. So yeah, I just did a whole unboxing of this, and I have this one on order. Okay, that's okay. I'll give it away. So, I will be giving it away, no problem. But I'm glad I canceled, so. That's too bad, but that's okay. So, enamel dots, oh, here's an exclusive. Oh, and this purple is beautiful, and I'm doing purple right now on my layout, so this, I'll use that right now. And I also got this one. Okay. Let's see what the paper is, because I see that it's, yeah, this one, this top paper is at least exclusive, so let's see. Very pretty. Am I scooched all the way out? No, that's why we're having problems. Okay, so this is a Hip Kit Club exclusive, and so is this one. Very nice, love it. This one is also pretty. So is this one. And this one. I like the quality of the cardstock too. I mean, it feels like cardstock, like maybe, it feels like 100 pound, maybe 85 pound. It's really good quality cardstock. So this is Pink Fresh. I ordered these already from Paper Issues. Oh, this is beautiful. I love that. Oh, I love tickets. Tickets, I just, they have my heart. This is also Pink Fresh. The rest are, I guess, are all Pink Fresh. And these are easy to cut out. So these are good to actually cut out. And Pink Fresh. So that was it for Hip Kit. Let's go to Spellbinders. Let me just put this all into one video because that way don't waste your time. Okay, so let's see what Spellbinders has to offer, which I love their stuff. We all know that. I've been getting them for like 2 or 3 years now. 10 card bases, 10 envelopes. Let's see, a stamp set. You always, this is the card kit, and you always get a stamp set. This is the stuff that comes in your card kit right here. And I love this stuff so much. It's so pretty. You are my sunshine. Oh, look at how cute. Oh, and you get sequins. Sequins are pretty. You always get a tape and pop dots. Pop dots. And they're good quality. I think they are. I use them. This is the die you get in the card kit, and it's going to be the bunnies and the lamb. So you can either use it as a bunny or as a lamb. Oh, so cute. So cute. Look at that. It's just happy little campers. And we get the paper pad, which is so pretty. I love their paper pads. I mean, the paper is really thin, so you're not, you know, I use it for my Project Life, which is not a problem, but you can't just use it by itself because it's really thin paper. You have to have a backing on it if you're gonna, if you want it to stand up or, you know, things like that, so. And the green, pretty, blue. Oh, I love that. vases. Or those are like the cans. Oh, and this one has gold sparkle in it. I'm not sure you'll be able to catch that, but it has gold sparkle. Oh, so does this one. There you go. And the clouds. And the yellow. Pretty. Okay, and then you get nine cardstock. So you get the pink, baby pink, more of a darker pink, the lavender, yellow, green, blue, white, black, and gold. So pretty. And then you get, which I love, the ephemera. I love the ephemera. Now they always have videos on what you get exactly. They show exactly what you get in your ephemera kit. I'm just going to go really quick because we don't want to be here forever. Shine bright. So, and they got flowers. You got the sun. A chicken. Oh, you have a chicken. How cute. Especially some people are going to get chickens right now, chicks, baby chicks. So, because it's the season of them. Not including because of Easter, but because it's also chick season. So, and butterflies. Oh, look at the bunny. I love the little bunny head. And the heart. And the house. Be happy, be bright, be you. The basket of lemons. Yep, basket of lemons. And the rainbow. Oh, look at the nest of eggs. So cute. So galoshes, ducks, lambs, oh, the fence, the little bicycle, wheelbarrow, oh, little postage, little stamp things. It's got chickies, flowers, hearts, more flowers. Oh. You guys see this? So pretty, huh? Just, ugh, love it. Love it all. So that's the ephemera pack. And then I get the floating bunny, the small die of the month. And that is going to look like that. And if you look at all the design team members, they all have samples. Oh, this is the APG die of the month. And Amazing Paper Grace is the full name. This is, I just love her elegant stuff. Oh, look how pretty that is. That is just beautiful. Wow. And this one is the large die of the month, the Kaleidoscope Floral Slimline. I love how generous they are. I really do, because I used to pay $85, but now they have to charge taxes. So now I pay, I think, $92, $92 or $95 now. So, but I do want the embossing folder, so I need to look and see how I can add that to this kit. And that's beautiful. All right, that's it for Spellbinders. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.